Hi everyone, I'm Colin. This is Brian Best. Together we've started a company called Phased, and we've set out to simplify status reporting. So how do businesses operate today? In many work environments, you have increased projects, elaborate processes, global markets, and distant offices. For the work itself, you have employees using many applications. They're doing many tasks. They're not just doing one single job as much. And you have projects of the present and future. So for managers that are trying to manage all this stuff, it leads to the big bad status report. So this is the status report meeting where the manager puts on a pretty face and goes into a meeting with everybody and is saying, hi, how's everybody doing? Trying to come off as a good manager. Really what's on his mind is, are we on track? Meanwhile, everybody's saying, hey, good, yeah, it's going great. And they're all saying, oh shit, he's going to be pissed. I put in a few captions here. I've got to make some phone calls so that we can be on track. This is going to be bad, he's going to be mad. This is typically just a really uncomfortable feeling for people when they go into these meetings and they take up the time of everybody in them. So we wanted to simplify this down a bit. So what do? We help everyone in an organization stay informed at all times on what's going on. In doing this, we help eliminate these status report meetings. So this is our product that we've built. It borrows elements from project management, social networks, and so on. Essentially, staff can type in as they go throughout the day what they're up to, what they plan on getting done, or what they have completed. And we've added in a to-do task manager to help them stay organized. As the manager, I can check this at any time throughout the day, see what the team is currently working on. And if I do want to know, okay, like I want this whole status meeting experience, then I can head over to the team page, and that's what everybody plans on getting done. So peace out, shitty status meeting. Might not be the best grammar, but I think we're all adults here. So the product benefits that we're offering here is to free up information. So there's not really this whole process, he has to report to him, this all goes up to a hierarchy. We free up the information and we allow managers to open dialogue with their staff. So if they're entering in these updates and they say, okay, this guy's working on this, and that is then a good time for this person to say, hey, I have a question about that, without being really walking down the hall, knocking on the door, interrupting them and asking them the question and coming off as a dick. The last thing, which is a really great component, is the boosting motivation. If everybody can see what each other are working on, if you ever feel alone in an organization or undervalued, and that you're the one plugging away and that nobody else is really pulling their weight, this is a way to see all the cogs in motion. And then you can see that, okay, we are all fueling together towards this common goal. We are a company, we are a group of people with a common purpose. Our existing traction to date, we did testing with 65 users in 7 organizations in 7 different industries. To date, we have 4 customers, and our product is being used across Canada and in Egypt. The competitive landscape, we have Chatter by Salesforce. They might enjoy that. Yammer and Asana. But the big thing that we have right now that clients go, oh, holy shit, is this integration piece. So this is back to the product. Without having to interact with it, without having to do anything, simply by hooking up the other bunch of apps I use, it can update for me, which is working miracles for myself. If I'm on the road, going to meetings, it integrates with Google Calendar and updates on behalf of me. And for our developers, we have it integrating with GitHub. So when they are making their changes and working as they normally would throughout a day, it's updating their status as well. So if I'm at a sales call and I'm running through a demo, and I see, okay, this is broken, working on issue or whatever, that's a nice indicator for me to be, okay, I'm not going to show the feature today. The nice to have that managers that we talked to wanted was this ability to download all the updates that their staff put in. If they have to deal with, say, investors or grant officers or whatever, just some sort of track record of the interactions they've had. So by clicking download, this puts it into Excel. didn't know my name was there. That's not what I look like. But yeah, it's like what you've done in the day. It's pretty simple. Our business model, we charge $10 per user per month. Our customers are usually people who work from office environments, working at desks most of the time. We are seeing signs that the IT and civil engineering firms are the way to go. And the market size of those firms is 1.7 million in North America. So we are asking for $300,000, and this is to help scale operations. Beyond just that, it goes towards the sales and marketing commercialization end of things, hiring some salespeople, getting more interactions happening with people, and getting more customers in the door. A big thing that I feel would help, and that with the investment we could achieve, is acquiring a key endorsement. So there's this great book called The Naked Organization. So if you're familiar with Michael Porter or Milton Friedman, they had theories about how trust and transparency could really lead to improved workplaces. We feel that our app reflects that. These guys wrote a book based on those theories called The Naked Corporation. So huge, like 5-star rating book, bunch of people, large community of followers that love the writers. We feel like getting an endorsement from them would be a huge plus for us on the sales. So if you want to give it a shot, you can right now today at phase.io. So thank you.